Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Subaru Outback. First, ensure you have a safe, level workspace and all your tools ready. You'll need a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a basic wrench set. Selecting the correct lift kit for your specific Outback model is crucial for a smooth installation and optimal performance. This easy method focuses on spacer lifts, which are straightforward to install and provide a great aesthetic and functional boost. Begin by safely lifting the front of your Outback and securing it firmly on jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Remove the front wheels, then carefully disconnect the sway bar links and brake lines from the strut assembly. Install the front lift spacers on top of your existing struts, ensuring they are properly seated before reattaching everything. Double-check all connections for tightness. Now move to the rear of your Subaru Outback. Repeat the safety steps, lifting the rear and placing it securely on jack stands, then remove the rear wheels. To gain access to the top of the rear struts, you may need to carefully lower the rear subframe slightly. Install the rear lift spacers, ensuring proper alignment, then reassemble all components, including the subframe, and torque everything to specification. After installing all the spacers, it's crucial to double-check every bolt and nut, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Once everything is secure, lower your Outback and take it for a professional wheel alignment. This step is vital to correct any changes in suspension geometry and prevent premature tire wear. Now you're ready to enjoy your newly lifted Subaru Outback on your next adventure. Don't forget to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.